Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. And today's video, you're gonna see how I did this. I tried Aaliyah Jay's video. I attempted. Stay tuned. Stay tuned to the end. I'm so excited to do this tutorial because I never lay down my wigs. Personally, I just like to take it off every night. So she got this like really far down, so I'm gonna bring it to like right there. All right, so I'm not showing, I skipped the whole beginning where she prepped the hair, but I don't have like a wig stand. When I'm not using my ring light, I use that as a wig stand. But yeah, so we're gonna style the wig at the end on my head
or something. I'm gonna take that freeze blast and I'm gonna put this on the hairline where I would want the wig to be. Now, the reason why we wear wig caps is so we can protect our hair under, and also so we can protect our edge.
Damn, I hope I don't fuck up my makeup. Pink everything. Alright. Oh, it smells strong still.
That we're gonna use. I'm gonna put that freeze blast on there and blow dry it until it's really dry.
Alright, so she didn't say how long to do it for or if it's supposed to be on cool or hot, but like it feels dry and I switch between hot and cold, so let's see.
Super quick, like it's actually better than the glue. So now I'm gonna take some scissors and I'm just gonna cut the access cap off. As you can see, the freeze blast is keeping the cap down, and I'm gonna just cut that off, and we're gonna kind of be making like a ball cap. This is kind of considered a ball cap in a way, and I'm just gonna cut the access off of that.
Okay, so I'm gonna actually get bigger scissors because these are really small. I'll do this for like the little itty bits that she's doing, and I'm so scary. I don't want to cut myself. Oh wait, what? This part's kind of sticking down, not really. It's definitely holding, so that's a good sign. Thanks, Leah. When you're right-handed and can't function, like, oh my god, I almost cut off my fucking hair. Okay. Why is this not cut in the back? Maybe I wasn't supposed to, but maybe I definitely wasn't supposed to. Now, how's this? Whatever, we're gonna tuck in the braids with some bobby pins, okay? Because this show must continue. All right. Hers don't look like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the spray again. It's staying way better, so we're gonna go back to the small scissors, and she's just,
I don't know, it takes a little bit of time because sometimes I don't know, it takes a little bit of time. Perfection takes time. So just remember to be patient, take your time, don't rush it. Because if you rush it, it is not going to come out right. I was actually late to where I was going in this video because I was taking my time. I was going to a basketball. No, I was going to Kevin Hart's show, which was super duper funny. I recommend foundation. This is the foundation I actually used for my face, and I'm gonna put that all over the stocking cap because I wanted to match to my skin so that when I put down the lace, it looks like it's literally my skin, just like this. Right?
Oh, okay, Leah. Let me catch up. Yes, we looking bold. Kinda, but still, if you see my last hair review video, this is the same hair. It's already been customized, plucked, and all that, but it's been like almost a year, so I'm probably gonna have to remake the baby hairs, but knowing me, I'm probably not going to. If you can't already tell, this already has matte flyaways, so it's super annoying. And I do have a, get back in there. We also have a band already attached to the wig, so yeah, it should be super easy. Now it's getting caught in my braids, great. Like, I really think I shouldn't have cut off the back of the cap, but we're gonna just tuck it, you know, should be okay. Damn, it's just super forward, but like, come on, y'all, like, this is way too forward. We got that half bun going on. Alright, so let me grab my pencil and back in session.
We recommend it because if you have glue that there's no lace front on, it's gonna look ridiculous. It's like people are gonna be seeing that glue.
I don't know. Put the white marks where the glue is gonna be, right? So if we pull this down, the glue's gonna be in here, right? To be honest, I'm skipping this step. I don't think I'll fuck up. Alright, so now she got the glue. I don't have Ghost Bond, but I got Bow Hold. I don't have a popsicle stick, so we're gonna use the end of a brush. And we're just gonna apply this glue.
Lace glue because it applies an even layer, and I don't like messing up like my makeup brushes or anything else. It just works really, really good. So I'm gonna make sure that lace glue is dried down. Sometimes I'll sit the end of a metal comb.
Ooh, that's hella tacky.
See if it's dry. If it's not dry, then it will be gluey still. It will be kind of tacky.
Oh, you're supposed to put it down. Fuck me.
And I'm going to start sticking down my wig. And I'm gonna see if the sides are still fitting, because sometimes you can put it on Cricut or whatever. But even thin layer on that side. And I'm gonna kind of just work from side to side now. I like to do the front and then both sides and allow that to dry. And yeah. So while that's drying, while the two sides are drying.
Okay, it feels like it's down. No more five head, no more five head. Who am I? Who am I? Alright, let me stop playing. FYI, if you guys are digging this look, let me know if you want a tutorial, because I'm obsessed. Highly obsessed. And this is when I realized I messed up. Like, I look so frustrated, but I'm dead because there are no baby hairs for me to lay. Like, barely. And I should have just plucked it more and created more baby hairs, but I'm too scary for all of that, so just watch me struggle, I guess. Don't do what I did. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna go do my styling off cameras. Okay, and then I'll be back to do the half up, half down part. We shall see. Okay guys, so as I was about to pull this back, I really notice how close this is. Like, I have to fix it. And yeah, I don't know how. It's glued. I feel like semi better. This has to be back some more. And look at the cap right there. I'm gonna go struggle some more trying to fix this, and then we'll see the end results. I'm so sad because I really thought I was gonna slay this. Like, look at the edges. But whatever, I am not giving up. But for now I am. Because it's like nearly 3 a.m. Aaliyah did a hell of a good job on hers. Honestly though, it's not totally bad. It's just that I'm a perfectionist, so I know I could have done this better. Alright, so let me cut you off, Steph, because I'm just like repeating what I was saying. I was trying to hype myself up and say it doesn't look all that bad, but we can all tell I look like I'm wearing a helmet, okay? To keep it real, like, I was so tired and just so frustrated, but I just want to say it doesn't look bad, but like it does. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think, what I could have done to avoid that mistake from happening. But this was my attempt. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, see my last video right there. You can just click on it. Alright.